Alright guys, so today we are going to make some mac and cheese. But we're going to kick it up a notch and we're going to add some leftover pulled pork in. It's going to be good. So, I went ahead and I cut up about a cup of pulled pork. Just cut it up nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate it right into the macaroni. I got a pound of shells here. Little shells. So I'm just gonna stir it in. That's it. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. There we go. All right. I just want to get it in all over the place. And you could use bacon, you could use ham, whatever have you. I got some leftover pulled pork with a nice apple smoke on it. Oh man, this is gonna be a home run. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and make our roux. All right, guys. So I've been here making this roux. All I used was about a quarter cup of flour, 2 cups of milk. If you got cream, go with cream. It's going to come out a lot richer. I put about a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, about maybe a half a teaspoon, if that, of some cayenne pepper for a little heat. So the cheese used is Velveeta, and I put in some cheddar. Got another stick of butter in this pan right here. And I got about 1 whole sleeve of Ritz crackers. I crushed it up. Just gonna incorporate it right into the butter. This is gonna be for a nice crumb topping. That's it. All I'm gonna do with this, just stir it around. Stir, stir, stir. Let all the crackers absorb the butter nicely. You can do this on low heat. That's fine. Whatever works. Alright guys. So I'm gonna incorporate this cheese mixture right into the macaroni here. That's it. This is gonna be some good stuff right here. Now we got our cheese topping in there. Gonna incorporate some more cheese. We're gonna put some cheddar in there. That's it. Some cheddar. Boom, boom, boom. Nice, nice. Just gonna mix it in. Kind of fold it over, you know. That's it. This is gonna be so good. It's gonna be super cheesy. Holy moly. Hey, you got some cheese, you got some pulled pork. You can't beat it. All right, so we're just gonna put the rest of this in. All right, so we're gonna get our crumb topping. All right, guys, so right now we are all set to throw it on the fire. It looks good. It's gonna be good. Listen, guys, there's 101 ways to make mac and cheese, but don't knock it until you try it. This is gonna be delicious. See you outside. For whoever is using their kettle out there, I did 2/3 full chimney of charcoal. I dumped it in the back. I'm not using a basket or anything. I just threw it in there. I also put a piece of apple wood back there. But if you're cooking on gas or anything different, you want to go indirect. You could always put it on a smoker. That's always awesome. This is how I'm doing it today. So everything is basically cooked already in here. We're just heating it up. You know, that's the idea. So basically, I'm just going to close it. Some of the signs I'm looking for is my breadcrumbs. They're going to start darkening. Once they start darkening, then I know it's heated up nicely. And that's it. It's going to be pretty fast. The hardest part was the prep. Yeah, this on the kettle for about 20 minutes, indirect. You could definitely go longer. Started seeing some browning. You know, I could have went longer on this, but let me tell you something. I am hungry. So what I'm going to do now is give this a try. But first, I got some leftover pulled pork. Yummy, yummy. Oh, man. I'm going to put a nice little helping right on top here. Oh, look at that. Cheesy goodness. Oh, man. That looks good. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It smells good. It looks good. I'll try it out. Oh, man. Wow. Wow. You could even drizzle a little barbecue sauce on here. It's very good. Guys, listen. Use your favorite mac and cheese recipe. Try it like this, though. I'm going to go with pig slop macaroni and cheese. That's what I'm going with. It is good. Guys, thank you for stopping by. Click on the next video. Leave me a comment. Hey, how do you like your mac and cheese? I like it all different ways. Cheese is just good. Thanks for stopping by, guys. You guys enjoy barbecuing. Until next time.